Okay. Tell me. Own up. Who ate all the pies? Let's get this show on the road. You're not going to open for me automatically, are you, you dingbats? Come on. The sensor's too far back for a solo unit there. Alright. Fair enough. I suppose I was on the wrong side pretty much. Come on. Open up. Thank you. Right. I've got to go and close these gates. So, by the magic of video and all that malarkey, watch this space.
One eternity later.
Job done. Right. Let's go and find a trailer. God, that's rev it. Rev it. Then we're going to get some fuel. Then we're going to get there. This should be fun. Because when I say I'm low on fuel, I am low on fuel. So let's do this. Let's get over the road. Solo unit. I can ignore my sat nav and I can go left here and then right up the end. Bit of a shortcut, like, you know, bit of a shortcut. Well, I hope your weekend's good. Mine was alright. Of course, you're watching this a little bit later on down the line, but mine was alright, the one I've just had. We're on the A34. We're getting there. We're not far away. We reckon we'll be there in about 40 minutes. So that's not too bad going, is it? Oh look, we've got us a convoy on the other side. Yeah. I don't know. Oh, and there's more. There's more. There's an ambulance. My dad used to drive those ambulances. Royal Corps Transport. Back in the day. Back in the day. You know, as they say. At least it's not raining like it was earlier. Holy moly! I was on the motorway and it was throwing it down. Absolutely throwing it down. So, yeah. That'll be Will messaging me there. But, like I said, we are about 40 minutes roughly away from our tip. Get it gone, get our collection, which isn't far away. And the good thing about the collection, there's plenty of places to get some breakfast when I'm there. Yes, get in. Can't beat a bit of breakfast. Although, should I or should I not? Because I'm losing weight at the moment. Last week I lost a couple of pounds. This week I'm aiming for a couple of pounds. Hopefully I can shed it, keep it off. That'd be nice. Because you know what, it's too easy, isn't it, right? It is way too easy to like just, you know what, I'll have a breakfast, sit in the cab, drive for 4.5 hours, get out, have some lunch, get back in, drive for 4.5 hours, whatever you're doing, and just not eat very nicely. I mean, there's a lot of blokes that will park up in services where you've only got a Burger King or you've only got a McDonald's or whatever, and they just eat that crap all week, and it's, believe me, it catches up on you, especially if your driving job is not very active. I mean, I'm fortunate in the fact that I have to get out, do the curtains and bits and pieces like that, but that's still not enough. I still need to go for a little bod around every now and then. And one of the things that absolutely scares the crap out of me is having a heart attack. I couldn't do it. Just for that, I couldn't make myself any worse than I am now, just for the fear of having a heart attack. And I know it doesn't happen to all of us, but I don't know. Do I want to risk it? I don't think I do. So yeah, I like to stop at places where I can go for a little walk. And I do like to eat a little bit healthier. And I noticed one of the things I did last week that was different was purely and simply cutting out bread. I had more healthy food and I used wholemeal wraps instead. Didn't have any naan bread, nothing like that. Just cut it out, and I lost 2 pounds last week, which is great. And I feel better for it. And I had some pizza over the weekend, just as a bit of a treat. And you know what? It made me feel really bloated. So I kind of think maybe in this job, should we be eating a little bit better than we do? It is really easy to stop at the roadside cafe and have a bacon sandwich. It's really easy to pop into McDonald's and get a bit of fast food. But the other side of that coin, of course, is that it costs a lot of money. You know, I've been at the point before now where I've been spending 30, 40 quid a week, 50 quid a week sometimes on food. And that's horrendous. That's an obscene amount of money. So yeah, eating healthy. Let's do this. What are your thoughts? I would really like to know. And how do you eat? If you're a driver, do you eat healthy, unhealthy? Give me some tips in the comments below, because I'd like to have a go at losing a bit more weight. What sort of things can I do? I'm not a gym person. Going round in a gym in circles is not my idea of fun. But any tips you can give me, I will be really, really appreciative. Thank you very much. Comments below. Let's get down to Andover, and I'll see you a bit closer. And I'm going to get there first. Go on, son. Go on. Not you, you daft twat. Letting him go so I can make the turn. You brainless numpty. It is what it is. He's going to go exactly where I'm going, I'll bet you. Or is he? Is he going to sail straight past it? Yeah, that doesn't really help me there, mate, because there we go. It's making it hard for me now. And there's a Maserati coming out of the... Oh, thanks, mate. Cheers. Put it on the curb a little bit. Oh my goodness, it's a free-for-all. Oh my God, I can't get around there. That van's in the way. I have to get over there. Alright, mate. Is there any chance of, do you know who that is? Nah. Nah. Oh, he's going now anyway, it's alright. If he moves around, I can swing it. Cheers, mate. They're all going to get in the way. Right, I'm going to have to. Cheers, mate. Cheers. Cheers, mate. I love it when a plan comes together. And here we are.
At the end of the road, turn left, west way.
And she doesn't know where I am. Right. I need the toilet. So first things first, toilet, unzip it, and let's get it gone. That's the thing, because that's what we do, because we're nice like that. Just a little bit more, just a little bit more. Yeah, that should do us about there. Right, let's get it gone. And off we jolly well trotski to our collection. If we can get out. Got to think about this now. Now, if I take it close to that focus, I can mount the curb with the trailer over there. Try and miss that van. Hopefully that's wide enough.
Turn left, west way.
There it goes, up on the curb. Pull it out of its wobble, and away we go. Lovely job. Got to go back to the A303. I'm staying in Andover, well, around this sort of area. It's not actually Andover, it's just outside.
Second exit.
We're 16 miles away, so that should only take us, I don't know, 20 minutes, half hour, something like that. Knowing what the roads are like here. Oh, wait. Actually, it is a little bit quicker going that way. That's okay. Back onto the A303.
Roundabout and take the second exit, A3093.
Like I say, should be there soon.
A303.
Have a spot of lunch as well while I'm there because I'm starving. Right, let's get on with this.